My name is John. We are here in Alcadesa, Hacienda Alcadesa, 18-hole golf course. I'm a member of this club. Had to stop playing golf because of my hip problems. Arranged an operation with Dr. Berger. It was quite straightforward. Just arranged an appointment with Dr. Berger. We agreed on a date. The pre-op tests were done in Marbella, and 2 weeks after the initial contact with him, it was all settled. Beginning of January, I had the operation. Total hip replacement. Was there for 3 days, and back to Gibraltar, and away we went. No trouble at all. The team around Dr. Berger were very, very good, very professional, and I didn't have any problems at all. After 8-10 weeks after my operation, I was playing golf again and had my life back. Very, very successful operation, thanks to Dr. Berger and his team, who were extremely professional. I was only in hospital for 3 days, back to Gibraltar after that, and got my life back. Quite a difference in lifestyle after you have the operation. You're able to travel, you're able to do things that before that you cannot. And I got my life back, playing golf 3 times a week and enjoying life as much as I can.